In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate images in Claude. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, how to write a solid prompt, and how to submit it so Claude can turn your idea into an image. First, open your browser and head to claude.io new. This takes you straight into a fresh conversation so you can get started right away. If this is your first time here, don't worry. Everything we're doing happens right on this page, and the layout is simple. A left sidebar and a main chat area where you'll type and see results. Next, look at the left side of the screen for a small plus icon. Click that plus sign. Think of it like opening a clean sketchbook page. Clicking it gives you a fresh chat space dedicated to your next image idea, which helps keep things organized as you experiment with different styles or subjects. Now, in the message box, type your prompt. This is where clarity pays off. Be specific about the subject, style, and mood you want. For example, instead of a castle, try a misty medieval stone castle on a cliff at sunrise. Cinematic lighting, dramatic clouds, ultra-detailed realistic textures. If you prefer a stylized look, you might say whimsical watercolor illustration of a fox reading under a lantern-lit tree, soft pastel palette, gentle glow. You can guide composition with phrases like wide angle, portrait close-up, or top-down view, and you can set the atmosphere with words like moody, vibrant, or serene. If there are things you don't want, add a brief note such as no text in the image or minimal background. Keep your sentences clear and concise so Claude can lock onto the main idea without confusion. When your prompt feels ready, click Submit or simply press Enter. You'll see Claude process the request and return an image based on the description you provided. This may take a moment, so give it a little time to render. As you review the result, pay attention to what worked and what needs refinement. Small wording tweaks often make a big difference. If certain details came out too strong or too subtle, adjust those words in your prompt and submit again using the same flow. That's the entire process. Go to the new chat page, open a fresh conversation with the plus icon, craft a clear and detailed prompt, and submit it. With each iteration, your prompts will get sharper and your images will get closer to your vision. Enjoy creating and have fun exploring different styles and scenes in Claude.